Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Cane Pole Willie. I just made it down here to the creek. It's a beautiful day today. It's in the mid 80s. Nice break from these upper 90s days, but we got the 15-foot cane pole, bunch of night crawlers. I've been to this spot before, had some okay luck, but I'm gonna hit it harder today, try some new spots, go up and down the creek, see what's around, hopefully find some deep holes, and I'm hoping to get some smallmouth. You guys stay tuned. We'll see what we can make happen. Got the night crawlers loaded up in my bait container. Got my 15-foot cane pole down here. Circle hook. Pretty big one. I forget exactly what size. 3/0, I believe. And a little split shot. I got 15-pound line. All right, well, kept pushing down. Haven't really come up with anything of note yet, but I'm still just pushing down this river, going from pool to pool, seeing if we can't get on something. Ooh, there's a good hit. Oh man, what the heck do we have? Definitely a catfish. Hopefully it's bigger than these other ones we've been getting. Man, he's splashing around a fair little bit. All right, heck yeah, this guy's definitely bigger. All right, my first decent fish today. Heck yeah. All right, man. Had to fish hard today. I've caught tons of little channel catfish, and I've seen this guy cruising. Oh, come on now. All right, I've seen this guy cruising around. Caught a bunch of small ones. That one's okay. All right, this pool right here was the only pool I've really caught any fish at. I was over on the bank over here wading, and I caught that pretty good catfish, or okay catfish, but I fished down this way a good while, nothing. I'm gonna hit this hole one more time though. I don't have many worms left, but it seems like this is a good spot. I'm gonna try and walk over here and see what we can come up with. This spot seems promising. Got some access to some deep water here. Let's see what we can do. Man, it's been tough fishing today. I'm hoping we can make it happen here. There's something. Oh, what? Heck yeah, we're onto something. It's pulling pretty hard. Oh, whoa. I think it's a drum. Heck yeah. Man. Heck yeah. That's cool. Haven't caught many of those this year. All right. Heck yeah. Little drum action, not a big one. Hooked him right in the mouth there. All right, easy unhooking. Cool, well, there he goes. All right, we're back on some fish, thank God. Man, my cane pole's looking a little droopy. I'm gonna have to get the straightener back out. I dropped it right here. See if maybe something's hunkered up under these rocks. Seems like a likely spot. There's something on it. Feels like a little bass. He was right here underneath this rock I'm sitting on. That was pretty cool. I literally just dropped it straight down. All right. Not a huge bass, but all right. There we go. Man, check out how big this rock is. I love how it's washed out underneath it, but that is a huge boulder. Oh, check it out. Yeah, I'm sure y'all can barely see that, but it's a pack of wild razorbacks. And some little ones just crossing the river. Oh man, that was so cool. It's only like the second time I've seen that. And it's always been way out here by the creeks. Man, that was so cool. Definitely don't want to get between that pig and their babies, but man, that was cool. That was a treat. Man, saw a little snake over here. There he goes, cruising in that pool. Looks like a pretty big snake. Man, that's awesome. Ooh. All right, y'all, it's gonna be a wrap on this trip. Had a good time out here exploring this creek, beating the heat, doing a little wading. Man, it ended up getting pretty hot. It's supposed to be a cold front coming through, but I don't know what happened to that. We didn't get any big fish today, but caught a good variety and saw some cool wildlife, that snake. Honestly, the highlight of the trip was seeing that family of razorbacks. That's such a rare thing, and sometimes I've heard them rooting around in the woods, but rarely get a glimpse of them, so that was pretty cool. Saw a whole family, little wild piglets running out here loose. Anyway, appreciate you guys tuning in. Short little video here. Hopefully we get some more in the future. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.